So here in curb ramps, we have some common requirements. If you've ever worked with BlueDAG, this should be really familiar. They basically brought it on into 2017 ANSI. Common requirements: curb ramps and blended transitions shall comply with this section. Clear width of curb ramp shall be 48 and ADAS is 36, but ProAg is 48. If you've had any experience with ProAg, this should be familiar. This is a section that is not in ADAS, but it is in ProAg grade breaks. My California folks should be familiar with this as well. We have this requirement here, but now it's in ANSI. Grade breaks at the top and bottom of the curb ramp runs shall be perpendicular to the direction of the curb ramp runs. Grade breaks shall not be permitted on the surface of curb ramp runs and landings. Surface slopes that meet at grade breaks shall be flush. It's where basically you have two different slopes meeting. So we have the slope of this walking surface here. At my grade break means different grades. And when I get to the bottom, we have the grade break here before the curb to try to eliminate as much of two different grades meeting at the same time and possibly tipping over a chair or making it difficult to maneuver. This grade break and this grade break should be flush, and there shouldn't be any change of elevation.